Hello, my name's Paul Bond, and I'm going to take you through the Cheap Print House template editing system, which will enable you to personalise your Synkronice and your Spinglo printed products. I'm going to choose this first business card here as an example because you've got the option of uploading a photograph here should you wish to. Now don't worry, you're not going to be stuck with my good friend Howard's photograph on your business card. If you leave this text field blank here, the photo here, when you look at your PDF preview, you will notice that the circle is simply blank if that's what you require. Now it's important to tell you at this stage that these are the actual files that we print from. So it's up to you to make sure, double check and triple check that your spelling is correct, because you're going to proofread this. Once you click the OK button that you're happy with this, it goes straight off to our printing queue with no manual intervention whatsoever. So you've been warned. I'm going to close this system down, that window down, just to show you what really goes on with this template editing system. Let's change the name. So obviously it says Howard Philpott at the moment. I'm going to type my name here in the right hand side. Oops. And if you wait a second or so, you'll see that on the left hand side of the screen it's changed to Paul Bond. Now, talking about photographs, should you wish to upload an image, there's a little bit of editing we need to do in the first place, because you need to make the source photograph an absolute square. If you don't, if you upload a regular rectangular shaped photograph, this will come out as an oval shape instead, and it just looks a bit weird. Feel free to have a little play with it if you just want to upload some photographs and just see what's happening. But I'm now going to take you through how to edit the source photograph so that it's compatible with this system. Now I'm going to make the presumption that most of you out there will be using Windows machines. And on Windows you have a free program called Live Photo Gallery. Now what you should do, if you want to edit an image, make a copy of it first, because this Windows editing, this Live Photo Gallery could actually save your original photograph as the cropped image, and if it's an important photograph to you, you don't want that to happen. So make a copy. I've saved mine to my desktop. I'm going to double click on it, and it opens in the photo gallery. Now this is me in Poland with my good friend Piotr and my friend Simon, and I want to crop those out. I've got to apologise because most of my photographs I'm either pulling a stupid face or playing the guitar, normally both. So what I'm going to do is edit this photograph by going up to Edit in the top left hand corner. We see it's highlighted that image there. I'm going to double click on it again, and we get to the editing stage. Now we can see information at the bottom here. It's got the file name, when the photograph was taken, and also the size of the image, which is 1.78 megabytes. First thing I want to do is crop it, and we use this tool up here. Now what we need to do is go to this little arrow underneath, then go to proportion, and whatever setting you've got there, you want to go right to the bottom and choose square instead. You'll notice that this grid appears. Now what we can do is hit one of these grab handles here, so just click on there and you can resize this grid. So I'm going to make it roughly the right size. I'm then going to click in the middle and bring it up. Obviously we've got Piotr's hand on my shoulder there. Let's try and get rid of that one. I don't think we're going too fully. So anyway, once you're reasonably happy that you've got the right aspect, hit the enter or the return button and it crops it. Okay. Next thing we need to do is lower the file size, because if your file size is too big, our editing system will throw a bit of a wobbly and tell you to try a different photograph instead. So what we're going to do is go to Properties, click on the arrow, then go to Resize. It's now telling me your changes were automatically saved. That's good. Click on OK. You've got a list here of different file sizes. Let's just choose the 640. That's absolutely fine for what we need. It is saving it to the desktop. Let's resize it and save it. That's great. You'll now see in the bottom right hand corner that the size is now 139 kilobytes. That's perfect. So swapping windows, we're going to go back to the Synkronice business card. I'm going to click on the upload button. As normal, Screen appears, and I called it PB Poland. Now it will save it in brackets as another file with a different file name. So I'm just going to open that, upload, and there we can see the image that I just uploaded, just edited rather. Okay, now at any point, again, you can click on PDF Preview just to have an idea. Now this is a low resolution PDF preview that you get. If we gave you the full fat version, it'd take quite a long time to render on your screen. So it just gives you a slightly jagged version just for you to proofread. But it is a rendition of the actual file that we print from. So once again, please be very, very careful that you do have all the spelling correct. I'm going to close that window down. Let's just put some other things in here. The website, anybody in Synkronice will have the same first part of the web address, and you just change the last bit. So let's change that. Let's change the email address, info@bondglobal.com, and so on. You'll see it all changing on the left hand side. So you go through, you make the changes. Once again, hit the PDF preview button, double check and triple check that everything is okay. Yes, happy with that. Let's close the window. Once you're happy with everything, click on Order This Item. It takes you through to the shopping cart. Now you'll see that the total price, including VAT, is £22.80. For any orders £45 or over, you actually get free delivery, so it saves you £8. So let's click on Keep Shopping. Oh, let's have some of these advertising cards. They're the ones that you sometimes see people putting underneath windscreen wipers in Sainsbury's or whatever. So, not that I would ever suggest that you did that, but we make a change there. Absolutely fine. You don't have to PDF preview it, but if you want to, there it is. Yes, all looks great. Let's order this card. It goes through the shopping cart. We'll see that the total price is £66 now, so delivery is free. You're then going to go through the usual process of checking out. Now here we have a special situation where normally our printed material is printed within 4 to 7 working days. That's when the printing is done. It's then sent out on a 24-hour delivery with DPD currently. Should you be in a real desperate hurry for these, you've got a choice of a guaranteed 4-day, 3-day, 2-day, or if you're going somewhere in the next couple of days, you may need a 24-hour turnaround, which you obviously pay a premium for. But it's there should you want it. Okay, if you don't want anything, simply click on Continue, and you're just going to fill in the details as you normally would on any other website. So I think I hope this has been of use to you to show you how to use this editing system. If you need any help at all with this, click on Contact Us just here, and it's got the phone number of the Cheap Print House office, and a member of staff will be able to help you there. Thanks for listening. Bye-bye.